The Masters of Digital Learning and Leading at Lamar University is a collaborative, learner-centered program that embraces technological innovation through collaboration and authentic learning. It prepares learners to create meaningful change in their organizations. We believe that we must inspire and prepare our learners to lead their organizational change by using technology innovations as a catalyst for enhancing learning. To do this, we create a significant learning environment, the CSLE, that gives our learners choice, ownership, and voice through authentic learning opportunities, so the COVA approach. We then prepare our leaders who can lead organizational change and drive innovation in a digitally connected world. Through authentic learning opportunities, DLL students learn how to purposely assemble all the key components of effective learning and create their own significant learning environments that they will then in turn help to use with their learners to help them learn how to learn. Understanding how each of the courses fits into the significant learning environment will help you understand how to best work through the DLL program. The structure of the courses and the program itself are designed to guide you through the authentic learning process. In addition, your instructors will also guide you in making effective choices and to help you fully embrace the ownership of your learning through your authentic project. To help you fully understand how all the DLL program works and how all the pieces fit, you'll want to use the analogy of a house. The first two courses in the DLL program should be compared to the footings that help support the foundation. In 5302, Concepts of Educational Technology, we start you on your journey of thinking about choice, ownership, and voice through authentic learning. To do this, we expose you to a wide assortment of ideas like failing forward, feedback, feed forward, and most importantly, the growth mindset. And we ask you to start thinking about how you learn and how you learn to learn. In 5303, we give you time to explore choice and to take full ownership of your e-portfolio, which will become the central component of the DLL program, and the e-portfolio is also your primary tool in which you'll find your voice and share ideas with the rest of the world. In 5305, the foundation of your learning environment takes shape. It's the first of the three core courses, and in 05, you'll not only learn how to explore and identify authentic innovation that you can then implement in your organization, but you'll build out an innovation plan that will include an innovation proposal or letter, a literature review, an implementation strategy, and a call to action video. This innovation plan will become the foundational piece for the rest of the DLL program and your other courses. In the next two core courses, 5304 and 5313, you'll build on your ideas that you established in 05. Since your innovation plan is something you'll want to pilot in your learning environment, you will also want to benefit your learners when they leave the classroom or your learning space. You'll want them to have the same powerful learning experience that you've created for them. Therefore, you will want to share your ideas with your colleagues in your organization and encourage them to join you in using technology to enhance the learning environment. In 5304, you'll learn to leverage the notion that people don't buy into what you do, they buy why you do it. And you'll build a powerful why, what, and how statement that will become a central theme behind your organizational change strategy. You will also explore how to leverage the 6 sources of influence and expand on your implementation plan and develop a strategy to have crucial conversations to move your ideas forward. In 5313, you'll continue to build on your innovation plan by exploring how to shift the culture of learning and then look more closely on identifying your personal learning philosophy. This learning foundation is then going to be applied to the backward design principles you will use to create course plans that you will then also use to create your own significant learning environments. In 5314, you'll have the opportunity to expand on your literature review as you explore additional literature and innovations in local and global contexts. There are many examples of lessons to be learned by the many successes and failures that have happened all over the world. In 5315, you'll build out an action research plan that will help you to determine if your innovation plan is really making the difference that you hoped it would. In 5316, you'll explore the role of digital literacy and how it applies to your role as a digital leader. In 5317, you'll take a closer look at the specific technologies that you'll be using in enhancing your learning environment, and you'll also further develop your voice as you prepare to publish your work. In 5318, you'll take the course plans you developed in 5313 and then use them as a foundation for the online or blended course that you will develop and share with your intended audience. In 5388, you'll argue why the traditional sit-and-get model of professional development or learning really doesn't work. It's not very effective. And you'll use the 5 key principles of effective professional learning and development to create a comprehensive go-and-show model of professional learning and development, which you can then use to help your colleagues further their learning. Finally, in 5320, your Capstone course, you'll pull all the pieces together of your learning journey and reflect on what worked and what you can do better. And as you continue to move your ideas and implement your or finalize your innovation plan, you'll also have the opportunity to reflect on how you created a significant learning environment in which you gave your learners choice, ownership, and voice through authentic learning opportunities. Once you see and understand the bigger picture with all the DLL program, you'll be able to better embrace and take ownership of the specific learning opportunities that you will have in each of the courses. Since authentic learning is central to the DLL program, fully embracing the ownership of your authentic project will help you in creating your own significant learning environment and will help you with success in the program.